Hey y'all, hey. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I'm working where my hair has to be up, so I need to start practicing on, you know, different styles. My hair is getting longer, so I can't wear it down at work anymore. We're just gonna be practicing, just trying to do some different stuff. I love these beads, guys. They're so pretty. Like, yes. So now I'm just gonna part the hair in 4 down the middle. None of my parts are gonna be even because of the way my hair is put in. So section those parts off. Rubber bands. Go ahead and just four sections. Now, then let's put this down here. I'm gonna braid this one back. So, let's start like with these 3 right here in the front. And just pick up the braids as we go along. Trying to keep control of the wall ones. And you can see, kind of clean. Nice and clean. And my dreads are not even freshly retied. I just did them probably about a week ago or so. Alright, so now we braid that one to the top. And I'm just going to rubber band that bitch. Rubber band me. Doing the ribbon here. So that's our first one. It's kind of clean. And mind you, I'm gonna put setting lotion on it. So all the little fuzzies you see and gel on my edges down. All the little fuzzies you see will be laid down. This one, I'm gonna go ahead and put that one back. Let's start here. These 3. Start with. That one. Making that hurt. And boom, bada boom, bada boom, 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 boom. Hey, hey. Okay. Honey, yes, honey. But you can see my braids on point though. Don't do me. Okay. So, we got those 2 done. Okay, so we see that. So So now we're gonna do the back. Okay, so I think it's decent considering I wasn't looking, so right. So that's pretty decent. So now we're gonna do this other section right here. Oh, I missed a whole one right here. But you know what we're about to do, because I don't even feel like I'm gonna take a crochet and crochet that back. And then with the rest of it, because I'm not taking that right back down. Yep, boom, clean that shit up. Like boom, bada, bing, bing, bing. Now, we can either let that just be like that, or if we want to really show off the braid skills, go ahead and ponytail that bitch. I think these should go over here. Blonde ponytail holder for a blondie. And ponytail that up. I think one time is good. I don't like my shirt to be too tight. It's already braided. And then just give it a good little tug. Here. That's cute. I'm sure all the little ponytails, little pieces everywhere. Yeah, I think that's cute. So now, I'm gonna do it tight and I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So, I have finished both sides. This is the other side. This is the back. I think it's so cute. I'm very happy with it. It's very cute. I'm gonna do a little something different with these up here. But now I'm just gonna take some setting lotion. And we're gonna set each one of these so that way it's nice and crispy. Some stomach strips. Together real quick. Okay. Now, stomach strip. The back on the bottom up. All the way around. Alright, now we're gonna let that dry and get nice and crispy. And I'll show you the results. Alright, y'all, I am back. And it is time to unwrap up this hair. Yes. Nice and crispy. Fresh. So now I'm going to lay my edges. I'm going to use some regular clear Pro Style because these edges don't like even edge control. It just don't even stay. So, Lord, I am loving this though, baby. What? Put a little gel down. Try not to go over my makeup too much so I don't have too much color. And then again, we're gonna just blot the gel so it doesn't get too crusty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of little jewels to my hair because you can never have enough jewels. The beatery jewels, all that girly shit. Give me all of it. Can I have all of it? Oh yes. Little sparkles. Who's too old to be bedazzled and beautiful? Like really? Little bedazzles, I love it. Just a few. Okay, so you can leave it like this, right? 2 ponytails. But I'm thinking I would prefer it to be more like bun style. So we're gonna wrap it up bun style. Not a super clean bun. Little messy knot bun. Here's our first one. Alright, y'all. My little buns. Voila. I am done for now. We'll see how many days I can wear this because normally, guys, I don't like to wear my hair up. It's very difficult for me to wear my hair up, so I'll have to get used to this, but I do love it. I do love it. I'm not gonna lie, it's really cute. We'll see how long it lasts. Maybe like, I'm gonna try to get a week out of it, but we'll see. So if you're loving the hair, please hit like. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And I will see you again soon. Love ya.